Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV Cooks with the Chef. And it's a beautiful Sunday, and we're on the go. So, we have a podcast. Now, Chef, in preparing this meal that's in front of me, it's like pasta with like beef and green stuff and yellow stuff and like Parmesan cheese. Like, tell me a little bit about your preparation today.
So I opened the fridge and I had a leftover piece from a couple of days ago of pork loin, which we had cooked with turmeric and salt and pepper and cilantro and cumin. We had that. So I took that, I shredded it, and I cut up half an onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, chopped up some celery and onion, put a little olive oil in the pan, and I cut up some kale and some broccolini. So that was all the stuff in the fridge that looked ready to eat.
Wow.
And basically I sauteed the onion and garlic, the carrots and the celery, put in the beef, and at the end I put in the kale and the broccolini, and then dumped the pasta, cooked the pasta, the fusilli, organic fusilli, and put it in the pan with all that great stuff, and there you go.
So that explains the green stuff that I just mentioned, which is the
broccolini,
broccolini
and kale.
Oh,
delicious! Right?
I have to tell you, Chef, this meal right here, 5-star, excellent, unique, creative,
and a little red pepper. Which you could, red pepper flakes, which
I taste
gave
that.
it that,
It's
right?
a little
Give it a little
warmth
bite.
there.
Just
Yeah.
a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
All right. Listen, everybody, you heard it here first on Brooklyn Beauty TV Cooks with the Chef. Tune back in the next minute on Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV, with your host, Barbara Campbell.